How to fix Instagram account login failed. So in this video guys, we will talk about how to fix and solve this. Just watch this video till the end. Let's start. Now you have to open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps. Here on apps, search for Instagram. When you found Instagram, open it like this. Then go to storage option. Here go to the last button, clear that. Click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last thing is to go into Play Store and update your Instagram, and then don't forget to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, go to Instagram and open it, and you will see that your problem is solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.